Time to unbox the Poco F1. Received it today from Flipkart. Ordered it yesterday and received it today before 9 in the morning. So this is how the packaging looks. This is the 6 GB and 64 GB variant, and as you can see, graphite black. Now this is focus. Do not accept if seal is broken, obviously. This is bad. My unboxing sucks. Now I have to cut the seal. Open. I was about to say open sesame. Open. 1, 2. No. This is what happens when you don't have a tripod or those kind of things. 1, 2. Nothing. Okay. Now something. Yes. I am recording this on a OnePlus 5, which is a Snapdragon 835. And this Poco F1 costs almost 18,000 less than the phone that I am recording it on. Let's see. Usual stuffs. The back side. I wish I had a tripod. I'll now go ahead and set this phone up. The best part I think is that 4000 milliamp hour battery. That's a good battery.